Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm gonna do the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. So we are having multiple news in Euro and USD today, but the major high impact news is at 7 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So be cautious around this time frame. So let's move to the charts. So this is the monthly chart. The price was having equal lows. The price flipped these equal lows and broke this high. This gave us a strong low. The price reacted from this strong low but couldn't break this high. Rather, it broke below this low. This gave us a bearish bias since it had broken the strong low. The price retraced back after breaking the low and reacted from this candle over here, which had taken the high of the previous monthly candle. So we reacted from this zone and moved into the downward side, but the price couldn't break below all these structures, rather it swept it. This gave the bullish push into the market. So let's move to the weeklies now. So this is the weekly chart, and we can clearly see that the price had reacted from this unmitigated candle, which was responsible for this bearish move, and the price moved into the downward side and we kind of swept this low. It's not much visible in weekly, so let's move to the dailies now. So we were having equal lows right here. The price swept these equal lows and moved into the upside direction. I'll be zooming it a bit. So this is pretty much clear that the price swept these equal lows and moved into the upside direction, giving a close above this previous day. So most likely we are still into the uptrend in the daily. So this is the 4-hour chart, and we can clearly see that the price swept these and broke this high. The price reacted from this flip zone and still moving into the upside direction. So what will be our target into the upside direction? So the price is having equal lows right here, and I'm anticipating the price to move into this high and take the liquidity above it. So let's move to the 15 minutes to see the session's liquidity now. So this is the Asia sessions, and we are moving into the upside direction, going to take this high. So most likely I'll be anticipating the price to react from the higher time frame POI. So for that I'll be moving into the 1 hour. So the strong zone for the reaction in 1 hour is this candle. Says it is having proper FVG right above it, and the price is having equal lows right here. But I'll be moving into the 15 minutes to see if we are having any strong low at this flip zone right here. So the price moved into the upside direction. We are having currently equal lows right here, but the price is also having everything mitigated right above it. So most likely I'll be happy to see if the price breaks below this structure or not. So for now, I'm anticipating the price to move into the downward direction, take these equal lows, and move into this POI and then move into the upside direction. Else, we are going to respond from this higher time frame POI, that is 15-minute POI, and move into this high right here. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.